Hi, we're here next to the leader's house in our exhibit, and the leader's house would serve two purposes in a community. It would be the home of the leader and his family, but it would also be a place to bring community leaders together to gather and make decisions that affect the community as a whole. The type of structure behind me is a longhouse, and this longhouse has both exterior and interior rooms. So the interior rooms would be used for the family, but the exterior rooms would have that broader purpose. As you walk through the longhouse, you can see some of its construction. The way they would build longhouses like this is they would take young trees, like sapling pine trees, bury the bottom and bend over the top, lashing the top to give it the dome structure you see behind me. Then they would take either bark or seagrass and weave it into mats that they would then lay over top of the structure. In our exhibits, we're talking about coastal Algonquin life, and this region of North Carolina has a mild climate compared to some of the other areas where Algonquins would live. So these types of structures often did not have a fire inside the home. Rather, archaeology points to the fire being right outside the door, and that fire would be used for cooking.